kids! So, this is my first video edited with DaVinci Resolve. And I actually filmed this about a month ago. Well, not really a month ago. I filmed this about 2 weeks ago, so yeah. So, I hope you enjoy my very first video, edited with DaVinci Resolve. And also, I hope you enjoy my new chair, even though it doesn't appear in the video. So yeah, let's start. We're back with another unboxing video. Now, nice heater. Alright, if you remember back in May of this year, I unboxed this little goober. See? Well, now I have her entire family. So, yeah. This package is from the very, very far away land of Japan. And, yeah, I just have it here with me today. So this is actually going to be the full set. So not just this little goober. There's also Windows Me and Windows 95 along with it, and of course the box that comes with them. I actually expected it to be more this size, but it's this size. Okay. It's right here. It's right here. I'm a cockney bloke, and it's right here. It's actually way smaller than I was expecting it to be. I was expecting it to be this size. Oh, look, airbags. You know what? I'm gonna keep doing that. Oh yeah, this is the eBay seller I got it from. You want to check them out? I think they sell a lot of OS X stuff, so if you're interested, you could, head over to their eBay page, because, I got this from eBay. Where else would I get it? Craigslist? No way. And here we go. Grand moment. It is in my hands, and now I have it. Okay, so let's open this. Let's open this bitch up. Okay, I'll show you the artwork first because I think it's pretty cute. So on the back, I think it's back. We got this very nice Windows logos. It's like all. I mean, the yellow and the blue are swapped, but copyright's a bitch, am I right? Yeah, we got artworks of the 3 characters that are on it. This screams mid-2000s Japan. I mean, yeah. I mean, I especially like this art right here. I mean, these guys are just facing out to the side, and then she's just looking at you. I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to be replaced. I don't know. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with 2 of these things. Mayhaps I'll sell this off, I guess. You never know. Okay, and now, get my grubby little hands on this thing. Oh, well, it's great, isn't it? It's just food stains. Someone took a shit on the box. Okay, well, I mean, oh, it's Futaba. It's the channel that OS X originated from, and I believe it has the Nijiura Deluxe. Listen, I know it's pronounced Nijiura, but Nijiura. That's just that's just how I jokingly pronounce it. And now we open this thing up and break these guys free from their plastic seal that they've been stuck in for, I don't know. Well, damn. Okay, so on the other side, okay, get this. On the other side, you get this, right? Got our 3 characters again. I actually really like this silhouette thing that they do. Hi. But then there's also 2000, which is separate. Sold separately. I'm probably gonna get her one day. But now, I think you, oh wait, no, I think you open it like this. Oh, wait, what's on the back? Oh, I never saw this before. Fan book. Well, this isn't a book, but okay. XP10 here, she's drooling, because, I don't know. They have this little promotion here. It says something about the number 64. Maybe the Nintendo 64. So maybe it's a Nintendo 64 promotion. But anyways, they have that. So I'm guessing just open it like this. Try not to damage the box here because the box is great. Come on. Come on, old chaps, you can do this. Open up like a true governor. Here they be. Okay, so, of course I'm gonna, I actually think this is, like, okay, so of course I'm gonna keep this box. Why would I not? I think I'm gonna slide the cardboard back in there and then just close this baby up. And there we go. No one's inside because they're all out here. Oh, and XPC just. Okay, well. Alright, let's. Alright, no more admiring the box. We're now gonna get to the real men's job. Oh. I don't know what that thing is for. It's very interesting. Okay, so let's just review each character's bases, because I can get them out. Okay, so here's 95's base. It's a very flower-looking. It says 95 in a cool font. Those holes are where she goes. It's very, you know, like, flower. Japanese flower-esque. I mean, 95 is definitely very Japanese in culture. I'll say that. Their kimono and all that stuff. And, I don't know what this thing is. Is it a mini comb? No. Let's see. That's weird. I remember this looking different. Do I just have dementia? Because I swear this was different. I swear it was just the regular exclamation mark. I didn't know that it had this. So, yeah, that little green thing is her little... There was actually an anime term for it. I forgot what it was, but it's like a little stick-up thing. And here's XP. We've already gone through her. I'm not really going to show many XP stuff, because, well, I mean, I already have this, so... I'm not sure why I need to do any more, but... Her C fell. That's very unfortunate, but, you know, we could plop this in here. And now we have the divas. Here's XP. We've already, again, we've already gone through her, so not really much to say. She's literally the exact same. She's a twin. You know, I'm gonna put her on her C, and you can upskirt her if you really wanted to. There you go, pal. It's just the way it is. Oh, well, she's crooked. She's crooked on her C. Come on. Good enough. Okay, next up, and now are the ones I've never touched before. Oh. Well, I guess let's start with me. Okay, why is she sticky? Like, like, it's slightly sticky? Is it what I think it is? Better not be. But, it's like, she's sticky right here. I don't know why. But, like, she isn't, like, glue sticky. She's just... See? But, besides that, she has a very nice thingamajig up there that... I once saw a photo where, you know, someone had this and she was just hanging somewhere. I believe she was hanging off of a plant. But, yeah, like... Actually, she could make a good Christmas decoration if you really wanted to, because, like... This thing could be, like, you know, attached to, like, one of the tree things. And then she goes on here. Come on. There you go. And then the ultimate diva. Oh. Oh. Look at this. Her actually moves and reveal the flesh from under. She's standing like a fashionista because she's the true girl boss. Like who just fell off of a goddamn seat. Oh, there we go. Just snapped in there. Maybe that's why she wasn't staying. Oh my gosh, she just fell off again. You bitch, why would you do that? Okay. Okay, fine. I guess you're getting swapped with... Okay, I guess you're in use for another year. Why did I say year? You're in use forever. But anyways, here we have the complete trilogy. Okay, yes, well, I guess, okay, like, I still don't understand what this E is for. E. Like, is it... I don't know. I just... I just decapitated her. There's no way. Here's her decapitated body. There you go, pal. It's just... Okay, fine. You want to stay off your little stool? Don't. And now for the sniff test. I mean, it has a basement smell. It has a basement smell, so maybe it was kept in the basement for like 500 years. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe this is an ancient artifact that I found. I mean, it's kind of ancient. It's 20 years old. Well, anyways, I'm just gonna. I actually don't know where I'm gonna put this box. I'll decide later. Probably not there. No, my sweetheart, you can't go there. It's just not an option. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!